好，这是龙塔员吗？你有快递。
Oh my god, it's happening! It's happening!
It's here. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. The 2021 M1 Max MacBook Pro. Ugh. I don't know if my excitement comes off in the video, but I'm really excited for this. I don't think I've been excited for any piece of gear as much as I've been waiting for this. So we're gonna unbox this together and I'll give you my first impressions. But then as well, let me give you a little bit of backstory as to how all of this came to be. I currently edit on the 2015 MacBook Pro, spec'd out, 16 gigabytes of RAM and all that yada yada, but it's starting to slow down. And in my line of work, especially being here in China, where time is of the essence, you have people who bring projects to you and ask you, oh, hi, can we get this project in 24 hours? Like, what? That is the market here. It is my responsibility to be able to adjust to that. I do a lot of work in 4K, which is where the need for this new MacBook came to be. Now, I wanted to buy the M1s when they first came out, but there was, you know, I thank my lucky stars. Thank you for holding me back, Jesus. I love you. I held back. Took me a lot of constraint, but I held back because I was waiting for the MacBook Pros, and now they're here. It was not easy placing an order for this thing, not necessarily because the logistics side, but because of the language. A lot of the options were not in English, and it was quite difficult if you do not know how to read Chinese. Well, you could have said, you gotta learn Chinese, bro, but yeah, I'm doing that. I'm working on that. Ni hao, I'm working on that. Eventually, I reached out to my friend. He said that I could get a discount. That's it. I need that discount. Initially, this laptop was gonna cost me $24,999. I had to find help to get that discount, and when I did, it was almost $2,000. Enough of all of this. I wanna open this and let's go. This is why we're here, baby. The 16-inch M1 Max, 10/24/16 core, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte storage. Let's go. Oh, it's tight. Is it supposed to be that tight? I can see it's here. Oh my God, it's real, people. I'm telling you. I love you, mama. Wow. Okay. Let's rip this and rip this. Okay. Woo. Okay, I would say, first of all, it's not as heavy as it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. Watching other reviewers just talk about oh, it's heavy. Yeah, well, come on, people. It's not that heavy. Come on. All right, get this out. Yeah, whatever. Okay, look at that. First of all, what am I looking for? Oh, I see it. Ooh, I'm going in. Go, James! He takes it. He looks for AD. Looking for AD. And he goes. That was not supposed to. Level 2 cleared. Can you hear that? Oh, it has a smell. It's the smell of new gear, people. I probably should keep the box because I was gonna rip it right away. Honestly, it looks small. Wait, is this the 16-inch? I thought it was gonna look bigger. Wait, this is the 16-inch? Bruh. But then, I haven't taken it out of the box yet. Slow your roll, Tyre. Yeah, we pretty much know everything that's gonna be here, but oh, the power brick. Ooh, it's big. Do I even have stickers? Did I get stickers? Come on, Tim Cook. The black ones. Whoa. It feels so good and so cold. Well, I mean, well, it's winter anyway, so. Okay, I take that back. It's not as small as I thought it was when I didn't take it out of the box, which is okay. But, SD card slot. HDMIs. Oh my God. MagSafe. Did you hear that sound? Dum. I love the screen, bro. Yo, this is lit. The keyboard is just, I love it. Let's set this up. I'm gonna choose my English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Siri? That's you? So I think that I do love the trackpad as well. I like the fact that it just feels better. I don't know how. I definitely do like the screen. It is so much crispier than my 2015 MacBook Pro. Now this is selecting a Siri voice, okay?
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
I like the fact that she's happier. Hey Siri, send a message. She's ready. Touch ID. What? I'm getting the bitch ball. Can you see this? Yo, Tim, don't even play with me right now. Oh, my fingerprint. What are you doing, Siri? And we're in, y'all. One thing I wanted to check is to check the about this Mac. MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 Apple M1 Max. This is my baby. This thing cost a lot of money. I will go on ahead and stress test this in another video with a lot of high resolution pictures and videos just to see how strong exactly this thing is. So I'm gonna put this against the 2015 MacBook Pro and see just how well this outperforms that machine. I mean, I expect it to outperform it. If it doesn't, then there's a problem. If you'd like to see more videos like that where I will be stress testing this machine and, you know, just putting this through the paces, or if you just want to decide for yourself if this is worth the money for you, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel, and just like that, you become a part of the crew. My name is Tyre, and remember that everything will be perfectly balanced. See, it did scare me at that point when it had that bitch bolt thing going when I was trying to set up the fingerprints. So I'm like, you know what? I want to hear the speakers. Ooh, I should check the webcam.
Yeah, I mean it's okay. It's my face. It does look like it's plastic though. This is also the microphone on the Mac, but I do look good though. I look good. Shout out to my mom.
The speakers on this stand. I'm excited.